In this video we will show you how to set bars in DentalCAM. Let's change to the view for setting bars by selecting this icon. To set a bar, we first have to select the desired type of bar. Our first bar is supposed to remain fully intact, so we select this icon. With the left mouse button you can set a bar at the desired position. While keeping the left mouse button pressed, you can move the bar horizontally around the object. The preview window helps us to find a suitable position. Now we need to position the bar vertically. There are two ways to do this. The first way is to hold down the left mouse button while rotating the mouse wheel. The second way is to move the bar directly in the preview window. The equator line shows where the object has the largest perimeter. If you place a bar above or below this line, the machine may not be able to reach the area. This can result in an undercut which requires manual finishing work. In addition, the bar will become longer if it is not positioned on the equator, which reduces the stability of the bar. So if possible, place bars exactly on the equator line. If the equator is close to the preparation line, place the bar approximately 1 mm above the equator. The preparation line itself is not an appropriate attachment point for bars. Now we can go on with the next bar. This time we will select a bar that will be reduced at the end of processing. This will allow you to separate objects more easily from the blank. Our third bar is supposed to be completely removed at the end of processing. The fewer bars remain after machining, the easier it is to separate the object from the blank, at the cost of stability. Since we have now positioned the recommended number of 3 bars for a single crown, we can now continue with our second object. The procedure is again the same as for our first object. First we choose the bar type. Then we choose a suitable horizontal position for the bar. Then we move the bar vertically, until we have found the optimal position. The violet color indicates undercuts that are not accessible to the tool and that are not caused by bars. It is also possible to connect the objects directly with each other. To do this, we can quickly switch to the nesting view for adjusting objects with a right mouse click. Here we position the objects as close as possible to each other. By right-clicking again, we switch back to the nesting view for setting bars. Now we can set a bar that connects the two objects directly. To remove a bar, select this icon and then left-click on the desired bar. Now the nesting workflow for our two objects is complete and we can start the calculation of the job with this icon. Dental CNC opens automatically and our job appears in the job list. We hope that this was helpful. Thank you for watching.